You made your project and now it's time to export it. Specifically, you want to export it to upload it to YouTube. But you want to retain as much quality as you can, especially if there's grain in the footage that you've added by a film emulation, for example. Here in the export page, you see I have a clip with quite a bit of grain on it. And we want that to look quite nice on YouTube. So you're just going to choose your file location as usual, choose your name as usual, blah, blah, blah. For a format, we're going to choose QuickTime, codec, ASA 264 or ASA 265. I found from my testing that 264 works the best. Leave encoder to auto. Timeline resolution, because I just want to export it as the resolution that it is. You can choose a different one if you want. But I prefer to export it at 4K, upload it at 4K, because it gives better quality than uploading it at 1080p. In our quality section, we're going to restrict it to 80,000 KB per second. We're going to put our rate control to constant bitrate. Then in audio section, we're going to switch it to AAC with the default settings, as you can see here. Now you can just add it to render queue, and that's it. These are the best export settings that I found personally for my YouTube videos when it involves grain and stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed. See you all next time. Take care.